Hi. Most of us understand what the word equality means. It means being fair and treating all the human beings as equal. And if you know that feminism is nothing but gender equality, you are already well educated. But this video is not about feminism. I do support equal respect, equal opportunities and equality in every aspect of human life. But what if I say that all the human beings are not equal? And why do I say that? Because all the human beings are not born with the same ability. Women are born with the ability to give birth, and few people are born with some disabilities, while others are born with higher IQ levels or certain skill sets. So when all the human beings are not born as equals, how is that we are fighting for equality? And that is where the concept of equity comes into the picture. And because it concerns all of us, you must watch this video till the end. I am PJ and this is Womanly Stories. For better understanding, let's look at what equality and equity means in this human world. Feminists understand this word better than anyone else. And we often say to ourselves that we should treat everyone as same and as one. It is the case that can be said as one size fits all. So we want equal opportunities and respect irrespective of one's race, gender, creed, color or age. On a societal level, it amounts to extending the same amount of support, creating the same kind of opportunities or providing equal justice to all segments of the society. To simplify it, let us take an instance like providing education for both boys and girls and kids to elders, rich or poor, because education is the birthright for every human being irrespective of their privilege or their gender or even their age, and which can be said as equality in the aspects of right for education. And what is equity? Equity is more of a logic-based concept. Equity takes into consideration of a person's ability, surroundings, upbringing, advantages and shortcomings before extending an opportunity. Equity is mostly practiced to uplift the weak, marginalized people who have been stomped by the bigger influential segments of this society. To simplify the meaning of equity, let us take an instance like providing reserved seats for pregnant women or elders or even differently abled people. And it is also when you provide maternity leave for pregnant women and sick leave for employees who need it. So how does equity and equality concerns us? And where do we find this balance between equality and equity in the human world? When I say that equal opportunities must be given to all, that means a particular job opening must be open to everybody who is interested in it, irrespective of gender, race, or even physical abilities. And for an example to be more specific, in a classroom, when a teacher sends the tall kids back and the short kids in the front row, because she is balancing the equity, because every student is entitled to get education so that every student can see the teacher and learn. And this concept of equity must be applied in every aspect of human life. So how does it concern you? And here comes the reason that I asked you to watch this video till the end. It concerns you because unless you create equal opportunities and equality in every aspect of human life, there will always be injustice in this world. And it is your job to fight for equality while keeping an open mind about equity. I know men must be feeling it as a privilege for being a woman, but trust me, it is not a privilege for bearing the period pains every month. And it is not a privilege for going through the labor pains for hours together. And it is definitely not a privilege for being the most abused victim of the society. So all that I'm asking of you is that let people fight for what they believe in as much as you have the same right to fight for your beliefs. And I genuinely believe that while fighting for equality, we also need to keep an open mind for equity.